Rail joints ever go clickety-clack? Heaven or hellbound, there's no turning back. There is no stopping this rhythm, this speed. Only time to ponder past midnight from point A to point B. Thoughts bounce like a pinball machine, matching the beats of the railroad pings. And just when the mind sees an opening, it's bounced right back to the beginning. Chucking along, chucking along. Nothing I do can change this song. The harder I try, the stiffer my mind. A pointless endeavor to slow the time. The tune plays on, escaping the orange dawn, as travelers get off and others get on. Where are they going? Where have they been? Are they stuck and wandering like I am? When we get past half and heading downhill, I can smell the burning friction of the steel on steel. The pace is ever quickening, my eyes tight with strain, to know this journey wasn't taken all in vain. Will my heart be at the station? Will it wait there just for me? Or will this train turn left or right 1,000 times between? Will his plan really reach completion? Will this journey I'm on be made? Will my mind be settled and soul be silent? Will my mountain of questions be stayed? The image frames blur past the window as my eyelids grow heavy and fade to dreams. I pull far away from the pain of the gray as I give myself over to the maker of all things.